then you come to Nepal, then you come to Bangladesh, then you come to Kartarpur corridor, then from Kartarpur you land up to Myanmar. Then you know what was happening in ports with Bangladesh, you know ports in Sri Lanka, then you know ports in Maldives. That story is all known. So that string of pearls you can really see beautifully shaping up and what China is doing. Now there is one more story to it. China has huge economic interest in that area because the copper mining in that country is entirely controlled by China. So the copper of Myanmar is used to fund the people or the militia of PLA against the Myanmar and also help them to create problems in India. So this is what is happening within the Chinese. Now, why are Chinese doing it? It's very simple. We need in communism, violence is an accepted statecraft. Communism allows you to use violent ways. So now the only news which have broken on the national TV is that the People's Republic of China is now funding mercenaries, international mercenaries. This is a big news because forget what PLA is doing, forget PLA works for CCP as their private army, but they are funding hardcore terrorist groups, and the government of Myanmar has declared them a hardcore terrorist group. They are no goddamn army. They are a bunch of terrorists funded and run by China. So this is a very disturbing news. And the facts which I gave you about them, so there's economic interest, there's a political interest, there's a military interest. It is becoming a problem for us. We as India have to wake up to this. I am sure we are doing what we need to do, but we have to take it very seriously. We need, because the kind of weapons now they have and the kind of damage they could inflict to the paratroopers of Myanmar army is an eye-opener. It happened on 10th or 11th March, just 2 months back. So I don't know how much of it is out in the media, but this is a very startling claim. And you know what is very astonishing, Vineet?